Strong Peep here, and we're doing me and my friends.
Yeah, we're gonna do epic fails.
Yeah,
We're gonna actually try, but yeah.
Okay, so
I'm going first.
Yeah, so here's the epic fail, man.
I call this the super fat. Yeah, it's super fat. And go like this, and you go over. No. Wait, hold on. You didn't do it right. That was a good job, right, guys?
Yeah, so awesome.
Good job. Come on. Yeah, I can do this. I can do this. Look at that.
Are you okay? Okay. Ow. Oh.
You okay, loser?
Oh yeah, I'm okay. Oh, my back. Okay. That was it. There's some epic fails. Make sure to tune in for these epic fails. Peace. Epic fail.